Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can exit the safe mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You might need to tap on the notification. If you have the notification, you can scroll down to find safe mode is on. Tap here to turn off safe mode. If you don't have this, then what you can do is open the power menu, So we can swipe one more time in order to open the quick access. Over here we have the power button, so we can open it, or we can of course use both of these buttons, volume down and power button. So if you press and hold both of these buttons, then after 2 seconds you will open the power menu, or you might need to simply use only the power button in order to open the power menu. And what we need to do is simply restart our device. If you restart your device, then it will turn itself back on in the normal mode. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!